Come in.
Surprise! Hello, I'm here! Like dress rehearsals for the main performance. People in acting would never stop rehearsing until they get the perfect scene, or else they will never get it perfect for when it really matters when they're on stage.
Let's talk about, she's not exploding anymore. She's not barking, she's not whining, but we have another expectation here. We have an even tighter one. Don't lift your head up.
The double down.
And the reason for that is because when somebody knocks at the door and if she got really alert and her body postured up and her head was up and her ears was up, I mean, she's showing too much interest in this event. So we say no, correct on a low level, and put her back into the double down. You can also interrupt the stress patterns too, the panting guide, by just saying no, tapping on the collar low and asking her to double down. For me, the panting, what that is the mind racing. Right? She's thinking too much.
Yes.
You interrupt the thoughts and you bring her back to calm. As she starts to get thinking more and more and more and more, the panting continues. So you interrupt it and you keep bringing her back to that calm place. And that just helps the progress go even faster.
Yeah. Because I don't want her to be stressed. I don't want her mind racing on place. I want her to go to place, melt into the bed, disengage with everything going on around her and just relax. That's where I want her to be when I'm not directly doing something.
Also, because she knows what it means, we can also just do silent taps on the remote just to remind her. They're on low levels. It's just to remind her to relax. It's like when somebody tells you to take a deep breath. Just relax. Just relax.
So imagine if there's consistency with this, interrupting the anxiety cycle, keeping her chin on the place bed, practicing with the doorbells, place all the time when you're home, unless you're doing something with her. Imagine how calm and well-behaved and relaxed of a dog this could be.